I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey everybody, how are you? What a day, what a day. What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How are you?
Oh man, what a day. Can you believe this? Volatility is back. I love it. I love it. I love it. Everyday trader's dream. S&Ps shoot up from 67.26 to 67.64. They drop 110 handles and then they rally 70. Unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. What a day. What a day. NASDAQ flying around 600 points at a clip. Gold never wants to go down. Silver, monster patterns on silver. Unbelievable. Hopefully we'll get some great patterns tonight here. How you do today, Denny? How's everything?
Oh, I'm good. I took a payout tonight, and then I'm already up $1,000 on a new account. So I'm pretty good.
Damn, Denny. Wow, I may have you trade my money. Damn. Well, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Denny, we got to get a lot more people watching here, man. I mean, what do we at? I can't see how many people we have here, Michael. Can you see? I can't see
it. It shows right there 5 on yours right now.
No, on theirs.
It's 97.
Okay, 97 only. Denny, what's going on here?
Apparently YouTube is down, is what everybody's saying, but it's working on for me.
YouTube is cooked. It's saying, Kaboosh the YouTube.
Tommy said we got kabooshed.
They're using my word like crazy. They're saying everything got kabooshed. Is YouTube down?
I guess YouTube is down. Hey, everybody, refresh your YouTube.
They're saying YouTube is down, Denny.
Everyone, refresh your YouTube. It's working for me.
Just ask him to send the message in the chat.
Which side, Michael? Can you tell him something here in the chat?
YouTube is down. It's not you.
They're saying YouTube is good. It's working. I don't know.
Yes. So everyone needs to refresh the YouTube.
Well, I'm having a heart attack here. Refresh YouTube. Okay. Refresh. Even mine's only got 7 here. Where can I type in mine? I can't type in mine. Michael, where can I type in mine to refresh?
You refresh the page?
No, I want to type to tell people to refresh. Hey, Sonny K, how are you?
Chat as subscriber.
What?
Chat as subscriber. See the little text box?
Yeah. It's not.
Okay, so
there's nothing opening here.
Steven, there is about
300.
There's 300,000 reports right now saying that YouTube is down.
Yeah, YouTube servers are down.
It's just YouTube. Chat. I'm about to put us live on TikTok as well, so you can go and watch us there.
So it's YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh. YouTube got kabooshed.
Our internet's pretty good.
Well, it says we got 99 people watching. Where are they watching?
They're watching on YouTube. For some people, it's working. For some, it's not.
Oh, wonderful. Well, I tell you, on Monday and Tuesday, I gave away 20 and 20 free 7-day access. And I already tell you, it's been blowing up. So many people have been thanking me for this. And hey, if this goal gets down to the like 15 and a half, 20 and a half, I would trade it. Look for longs here on micros. I would take longs on micros here. Brian saying it's good. Sunny K saying it's good here. I don't know. What do I know? Everybody, YouTube just got kabooshed here. Yep. Looks like we have only about 100 here. How is everybody doing tonight? Those of everybody who's been watching here cannot seem to get Steve's stream tonight. Can you type that in our YouTube? Can you type a message to people, please, on our YouTube? Just tell people it looks like YouTube might be down.
I'm about to try and get our TikTok up and running as well, because usually we stream it through YouTube and it's not working.
Yeah, no, it looks like it's down. Oh my God, this is brutal. Ah, technology, the era of technology, Denny, huh? Wow.
Yeah, it doesn't want to work very well.
Is the message coming up still from YouTube? Yeah. My guys are saying the message is still coming up. YouTube might be down. YouTube cabooshed. Wow. 300,000 people. Look at this. We should have 300,000 people watching us every night. Right,
You
Danny?
definitely should.
So YouTube might wow. What a shame. It's just, I don't remember YouTube being down like this before. Well, anyway, so just got to say that the last couple of nights, MyFundedFutures has given away 618 50K or scale accounts, and I've given away 40 free access here in the last two. I'm going to do another 20 tonight. Okay, I'm doing another 20 tonight. There goes the gold right back up. The 15s are going to turn up here. I don't know, Denny. What do you think here? I mean, should we switch to TikTok maybe, or?
So I just got our TikTok up and running, Steve. If everyone sees my head turning to the left to watch the stream, that's because I have it on one of my other monitors. But I do have TikTok up and running right now, and they can come and watch us there if they want to.
Well, maybe we should post it in the chat so people can.
Some of us don't use TikTok.
No.
I mean, you could go watch on. Actually, I don't know if you could watch on Twitter. I think Twitter might be down as well. Seeing as
how about X
on YouTube? Yeah, it's Twitter. I mean, y'all could try Twitter. Try Twitter.
People are saying that it's Mario's saying he can get it to work on YouTube on his phone. Look at this gold rally 4. People are saying that they can get it working on their phone, but not on their desktop. I don't know if that makes sense. Gold just rallied 6 just now. Gold just rallied 6. All right. I guess YouTube is down here. We'll figure out. We cancel the buy on this. Gold oil pushing up to new highs. Well, this is what a shame. YouTube is trash today. Joe Lombardo. No luck for me. It's okay. Have closed, reopened again and again. A couple of computers, phone, trade well. Wow. Oh, people, that's not cool. What do you want to do, Danny, here? I mean, Jesus, this is a kick in the, you know what? Can we go on X, Danny? People go on X?
So we can't. I mean, they should be able to go watch on X, but I just got us up live on TikTok as well. So they can watch on TikTok or on X, on Twitter. Chat, if y'all can hear us, you can go watch us on Twitter or on TikTok.
Oh, wait, they're saying it's working now? Hold on. It works if you press play on Discord link. I don't know. Jeff W. saying it works. Oh, wow. I walked in here and the gold is off the.
Now it's working.
Now it's working. Do control refresh.
Yeah.
Hit control.
Oh, it is up and running now, Steve. It is working now.
Okay, Michael, can you post it and tell people to hit control refresh? I guess. Okay. All right. Thank you, Mario. Thank you. All right. So we saw a nice push up here on the gold here, just as all this chaos was coming in. Gold just rallied about $6 here. Silver's been actually an unbelievable performer here. Silver up 97 cents, pushing up to new highs here. You're going to see the silver and the gold push up here off the 15s here. So let's just see where the refresh button is here. MyFundedFutures YouTube. Michael, can you come here for a second? Because I can't figure this out, what you did to me here. I can't see the numbers of people on both. Maybe I can.
Let's see. All right. Steven, your camera's gone now.
My camera's gone? I didn't touch anything. How about that?
Nope. It's like you turned your camera off.
Is the camera off now?
Yeah, the camera's off. We can't see you, but we can hear you.
I didn't. Where's the number of people? Just give me a second, Denny.
You're good.
Normally I can see how many people are. There it is. That's 323. Okay, what about mine? I got this crazy bot thing here. Well, look at that gold just rallied $8. Good Lord. Oil making new highs, crude oil. Okay, can everybody hear me now? Much better? I'm working on the camera now. Okay, and Denny's saying the camera's not working. Wow, look at this oil, Nobu. I short this oil 59 up to 59.18 if oil. This oil is a short up there. All right, everybody back here. Everybody, all right. We got 344. Let's go. We need to get 600, and I'll do a 20 giveaway. What do you think, Denny? Any giveaways tonight? What do you think?
Maybe, depending on how chatty it is and how many people we get in here watching.
Well, we lost a couple people because they waved the white flag with the.
They gave up, huh?
They gave up on the YouTube. Hello, guys. Hello, Spectre Trading. How are you? NQ Futures Talk. How are you? How are you? All right. So I thought that this silver and gold. I thought this. So I immediately said, look to buy the gold at 20.5, but the YouTube problem and everything. Hello, everybody. Texas, AJ, how are you? Gabe, Brill, how are you? How are you? Kate Foster, there you go. Kate's in the house. Kate, no Red Bull tonight. Joseph, Yusuf, how are you? Great, guys. Come on. We got to get the likes up. Come on. We got to get the likes up. We got to get the YouTube up. Come on. We got to get the 600 people watching here. This oil, I think this oil should be shorted here above 59. Andrew Knapp, what's up? Artan, look at this gold. Just rally 9. Oh, my God. Silver. Hey, silver. Up 12. Right here. Actually, more than that. Oh, my God. 20. This silver is an animal. These 15s are going to turn up here. How'd everybody do today? You like that volatility or what? That volatility is insane.
Well, Steve, I just made another $900. So I think I'm going to stop for tonight.
In silver or gold?
Gold. I just made 900 on gold.
You bought the long down there?
I did buy the long.
Well, and then I walked in, I saw that long on the 5-minute time frame. It got down to 18.5, but then I went 20.5 to 15.5, and then it just took off from there. Silver up 25 cents here. Gold just rallied 12. Look at this. Unbelievable. Kaboom! Where's the bull?
I got the bull for you tonight.
Let's hear the bull. That's a bull, right? That's a bull, baby. Is there a way without any craziness? Can you make the fonts bigger on YouTube, or is that going to be a problem? Or should I wear my glasses because I really can't see much? Those aren't the ones. Gotta wear some glasses here. If this gold gets up to the 30.5, 30.80, I'd look to short it. 30 and a half, 30.80 up to like the 35 and 35.80. All right. Tom, let's go. So long, gold or short. Well, I called the long and now it just got kabooshed. All right. We got to wait. We got to wait for the pattern. What was the high on the gold?
31.90.
Oh my God. Just got kabooshed $2. All right. If gold gets up to that 31.80, up to like the 36.80, I would look to short it, use a 38.30 stop. All right. Thank you. All right. I was in a silver. Good job. Good. That's a great job, but give it a chance. You see the 15-minute time frames right here? Okay. That's a nice long down there. Good job. Good job. Hello, Shally, JYJ6. A lot of new people here today. Come on. We got to get to 700, 800 people. All right. Welcome, everybody. I want to show you guys a great pattern from today. All right. I want to show you what's called the double blue buy. All right. And this is a pattern that happened today in silver. The 5-minute time frame reverses the buy. It correlates on indicator 4 with the 30, 15, 30, and 60. And you buy this pullback right here. It got down to 07 and changed right here, 06.5, 08. And look what happened. Look at this pattern. Unbelievable. Ran about 50 cents in silver. This is called the double blue buy pattern. And then you can see the 15 getting oversold right here, right before we got in. And then it just rallied here. All right. It just rallied. Great pattern in silver. Gold had the identical same pattern today as well. This pattern is called the double blue buy. When the 5-minute time frame reverses to buy, you see the MACD positive yellow over blue. And what do you look to do? You look to buy the first pullback on the 5, got down to about the 12 and 13.5. We had a nice range on that between the 11.5 or 10.5, 15.5 range. And then this gold just absolutely rallied again, pushed down again, made a higher low here. And look at the positive MACDs and up and away on the gold. Monster long, another great pullback here. And then another great pullback here right after the close. And then, you know, a lot of people used to say to me, don't trade oil. I would cover this oil below between 90 and 95 if you're short. A lot of people say to me, you know, Steve, you shouldn't be trading gold after 220, 230. I'm like, why? You know, why? Okay. And gold just keeps trading left and right here. Okay, I want to show you another great pattern today off the spiders when the S&Ps were making new lows at that 66.51.5. I want to show you another great pattern here. Okay, you see the new low. This is 2 days in a row now. This happened 2 days in a row that this happened. You're making new lows here, right here at 130 here and here. But do me a favor. If I draw my horizontal line, if you can see it, did the 60-minute MACD make a new low? Meaning it should be down here, making a new low. It did not. Did the 30-minute, even though the MACDs are negative, did the MACDs make a new low on the 30 on my horizontal line? The answer is no, right? Okay, so Bitcoin kaboosh. Yeah, Bitcoin was down about 3,000 points. All right, if this gold gets up to the 32.80 to 37.80, I would look to short it on the gold. This gold has, again, you have the negative MACDs on the 5. Again, I would switch to micros here, okay, on the gold, okay. All right, if gold gets up to the 32.80, I'd look to short some here. All right, Nobu, did you short the oil up there at even? So basically, when you see this push down here, okay, when you see this push down, oh, 31.80. Look at that. Just got kabooshed. Okay. Good job, Noble. Good job. Great job. All right. And when you see this push down here and you see that the MACDs couldn't confirm, well, it's an absolute great buy divergence. S&Ps ran from 51.5. Now, I did not think they were going to go from 51.5 up to 67.22.5, but they did. They rallied, and it was monstrous. So S&Ps went from 66.26 on the opening to 67.26 to 67.64. From 67.64 all the way down to 66.51.5. From 1.5 all the way up to 67.64. 22.5. NASDAQ probably moved around 900 points today. Completely insane. Completely insane here. All right. Completely insane. All right. All right. We're going to do a giveaway today. All right. All right. Short some gold at short gold at 32.80 and 33.80, 34.80. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do a 20 giveaway for my live stream. 20 free access for 7 days. You cannot win more than one time in 3 months because it's not fair to everybody else. So those are the rules here, just to let everybody know. Bitcoin, Sunny Jim, how are you? Bitcoin Caboose, absolutely. Okay. So with that being said, let's see. Nice drop on the oil. Nice 5 or 6 cents on the oil. All right. 44 times the Punisher. There you are. Eddie Sargent. Good job. Go back to the boat. Why are you going back to the boat? All right. We need to get to 5, 6, 700 here, people. All right. We need to get to 5, 6, 700. Actually, go 32.80 and 34.80. All right. Let's do that. All right. So here we go. Little baby Jesus. If I won yesterday, how can I claim? Maybe Michael can answer that. You were sent an email. Okay. Hey, Miss Valerie, how are you? DJ Doomy, how are you? If you won, today is hard to trade. Why, Jip Smith? Why say hard to trade? I walked in and they rallied 16. They rallied almost 18 here. Okay, I'm sorry. They rallied from 18 to 32. They rallied about 14 here. Okay. S. Presley, how are you? Good. Go to 34.80. S. Presley, how are you? Very nice. M Systems, good day. How are you, brother? Muhammad Ali, let's go, baby. Kaboosh, 34.80. Sell more. Okay. All right. All right. How are you? Taki 37.24. Come on, guys. Can we get to 600? Cover gold at 32.30. Okay. For drops here. All right. All right. All right. Let's see what this gold is going to do here. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oil just got absolutely kabooshed. Oil just got absolutely kabooshed. Look at this, Nobu. 9 cents in oil. Bitcoin cabooshed. That's GE. EF4. Gold looks strong. Yep, gold looks strong. Absolutely. 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 We'll see. When I walked in, I saw the gold. Immediately, I said, look to buy at 20.5. But that by the time I said it, because of all the YouTube problems, guess what? Gold was trading 21.5. So we kind of missed the boat there. Let's look at silver here. What's silver doing? Silver. Oh, look at this silver. 30 cents. Give me a break. All right. Okay. Let's cover the gold 30, right? Cover gold 32.5. Oh, you filled it. You bought it. All right. Gold just got kaboosh. Gold wants to go to 35. Well, it just hit 34. I just missed shorting at 34.80. Look at the oil drop. All right. I think gold's right. I think gold's going to go higher here. Nice little scalp short on oil, on gold here. Andrew Hawkins, how are you? Andrew Hawkins, what's up, brother? Fuego 90. Gold should drop to 42.28. Oh, that'd be nice. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's do this. Beautiful. I cancel the gold offer above. Arton thinks it's going to 35. I agree with him. The 15s are not overbought yet. Okay. Nick P. Hendricks is great. Hendricks is doing a good, right? We will be doing a giveaway. Yes. I'm going to be giving away 20. We need to get to 600. Minimum 6 to 700. Okay. Next is 6 to 700 for MyFundedFutures to do a giveaway. MyFundedFutures okay. All right. Has given away over 618 prop accounts. Okay. Derek C. Good job, Derek. All right, Derek, great job. Okay. Amid, nice to see you. Amid. All right. So we're going to post the link, okay, in MyFundedFutures and in my YouTube to sign up for my raffle. Now, if you signed up and you didn't win, you could re-enter, okay? But if you win, this is only for people who've never been in my live stream before, okay? And it's for people who to get access to my live stream, 7-day free trial. And if you win, you can only win one time in 3 months. Those are the rules, okay? Period. All right? MyFundedFutures, Denny, they're asking if you're going to do a giveaway tonight. That's up to Denny. But we got to get this up to 600 minimum, 700. I mean, come on. It's a free event, right? It's free, right? Come on. Let's do it. All right. Right. All right. Because I'm as free as a bird. Free bird, baby. One of my great favorite songs. 500 now. I see 479. Where do you see 500? Unless I have to refresh. Let's see. 487. Blasky, how are you? Free. All right. There goes the gold. Artan, great job. Short this gold, 3780. 3780. I'd short this gold, 3780 to 4380. Again, I would switch to micro. Sold.
Yeah, 37.
Good job. Good job. Go to 3980. Look at this gold. Where's this thing going? Look at this silver. Oh my God almighty. Cover 3710. It's dropping. There you go. Nice little scalp right there. Aaron, how are you, my brother Aaron? Aaron, how are you? Artan, good call. I agree with you, though. Okay. Gold, if it gets up to the 3980, I'd short it again. 3980, 4580. Short some at 3980. Where's this gold going? Up 30. Never ends. Never ends on the gold. Black Mamba. There's Black Mamba. Black Mamba's in the house. If you're short the gold, look to cover below 3710, 3720. Okay. Koamaya, how are you? A lot of new people here, Denny. A lot of new people. So I'm going to give away 20 accounts tonight for my live stream for 7 days. Okay. 4256. Oof. If you think it's going there, we're going to get killed. Stop shorting it, Steve. Why not? Why? What do you want to do? Buy it here? I tried buying it at 20 and a half and it exploded. Where am I short?
39.
Cover 39. Just trading it in and out.
Steven, gold is just climbing.
If you see a drop like that, Michael, just cover on your own. There you go. Just trading the gold in and out, right? Look at this gold. Look at this silver. Ayo, silver. Just trading in and out. Let's go. You think gold goes to 45? That's the second person who said that. One person said 56 and then 42. Mike Jock, are you crazy? You think it's going up there? Hey, cheater. How are you? I can't read any of the y'all charts. There's no charts. If you're short the gold, cover below 38.30. If you're short the gold, just stop. You got to scalp it short. Hello, DJ Nyson. How are you, DJ Nyson? And please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube and also to my Funded Futures YouTube. Come on, we got to get to 600. So, boom, baby, boom. I agree, Black Mamba. All good. 42.50. Well, you're not that far away. Gold just dropped too. Oil. Oh my God, Noble. Not Obel. Oh my God. Oil down 18 cents. I knew that oil. So oil coming in, I already knew had big sell divergences on the bigger time frames. S&P's new lows on the overnight session. NASDAQ kabooshed. Oh my God, NASDAQ. S&P's kabooshed here. What a wild ride today. How'd everybody do trading the index futures today? How'd everybody do? How'd everybody do on the indexes? Adam, Daz, how'd everybody do? Okay. Anybody short that oil up there? Let's go to 700. Let's go. Off the NASDAQ right there. NASDAQ kabooshed. All right, here goes the gold. If this gold gets up to the 43.80 to 48.80, I would look to short it. One of my best days ever today. Good job, Rocky Mountain Trade. Good job. That's a great job. Great job. I got to say, now that gives me most profit. Okay. We got, gold kabooshed. What was the high? Gold just dropped. Oh, my God. What? No, it had to be over 40. I saw 40. What was it? 40.80. All right. Just dropped in and out. You got the positive MACDs here. I still think you're gonna blow off here. S&Ps could look at this oil. Oh my God, Noble. Oh my God, Noble. 20 cents in oil. Noble. That was for you, brother. All right, that was for you. Come on. Nick Pina. No, Nick, it's fill the coolers. It's LAS, not coolers. Okay, we have a little slang going here. It's coolers. You got to fill the coolers. Drop to 01. Now, I still think this, if you want to scalp, you guys trade micros, just trading in and out if you want until the pattern sets up. Okay. I still think this gold is going to 43.80. NASDAQ, you're selling the NASDAQ? Okay. All right. Denny, what are you going to do for a giveaway? If we get to 600, Denny, we're going to do a giveaway? MyFundedFutures?
Yeah, Steve, if we can get up to 600, 700, I'll do a giveaway like we did yesterday.
All right, there you go.
We'll do 10 scale accounts instead of core accounts tonight. But I'm not dropping the I need Michael to send me your link.
Michael, can you send the link to Denny? Okay. Sally Seller Trades, how to enter, 500,000 K, Black Mamba. Okay, I still think this, wow, look at this gold. My God. And if you look at the bigger time frames here on the gold, let's see the 30-minute, okay, 60-minute, not okay. Look at the MACD is non-confirming on this gold. This gold should be shorted if we get overbought here. What was the high? 41. All right. All right, just dropped about $1 here. I still think this gold is going to 43.80, 44.80 range. How you doing, Jeff? Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. And again, the minute I walked in, I saw the 15s getting oversold. I said, look to buy the gold, 15.5, 20.5 range. And what happened? Boom. The YouTube BS nonsense. Okay. And then next thing you know, what happened? Boom. Gold rallied. I said, and then it was 21.5 before, and then it just exploded. Look at this oil. Oh, my God almighty. Gold looks to go down. I think gold wants to go one more push up, Artan. I don't like this pattern right here. I'm hoping we get the 43.80, 44.80 up here somewhere. You're $25 from the 10 bar. So you got this negative MACD, non-confirmation. The 15s are getting overbought. Come on. Again, I would look to see if this gold. Again, I would switch to micros. 43.80. Oh, my God. Look at this oil. Okay. 43.80 up to 48.80, 49.80 range. And I would go like every 1.5, 2 points. Come on, guys. Can we get to 600 or else no giveaway? Fiber Spice God, none. Those likes up. Right. Run those likes up. Exactly. All right. 40 on the gold. It's dropping a little bit. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. What's this silver doing here? This silver looks like this is some bull flag. It's not ready. Let's see if the silver. Yep, silver got up to 60, just dropped 3. I still think this gold is going to get one more big push up. What do you think, Artan? One more push up here? Come on, guys. We got to get to 600. Let's go. This is a free night here. Free. All right. Edward, LA, how are you? What's the score of the Toronto game? I can't believe if Toronto loses to Seattle. 508. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. 512. Let's get the likes up here. Let's get them. Let's go. I agree, Bar. I agree. 3 to 5 points higher here. JC Trades, how are you? I think the market's going to get absolutely cabooshed. How do we know? I say it. I say a scalp long or a scalp short. And if I say it's a pattern, it's a pattern. Right now, these are scalp shorts. Okay. So when I showed you the double blue buys on the silver and the gold before, that's a pattern. That's a pattern. Andrew Hawkin, how are you? JC Trades, how are you? JC Trades 25. Bob Beige, how are you? Dip Smith. All right. Sanguth, let's go. Black Mamba, why markets kaboosh? Please elaborate. No, markets are up. I'm not saying I wanted it to get kabooshed. Okay. If we break 40 down, we'll go to 35. Well, I think you're right. But I think we're going to 43.80, 45.80 first, maybe higher. So let's see if we get a spike up here. It does not read candles. I do not look at candles, guys. Candles are for birthdays, okay? In my opinion. All right. All right. Very quiet here. What's the S&Ps doing? 30 bullish, 60 bullish. Okay. You want to see a really great pattern today on the S&P futures? Let me show you. I'm going to show you a really great pattern off the 30-minute time frame. So the 30-minute reverses the buy here. So basically, I knew that the lows were in for the day. But look at this pattern. Overbought into these negative MACDs here. Okay. And you can see this is where the S&Ps were trading. They dropped a total of 26 here. Oh, come on, gold. Give me one more push up, please. All right. Give me one more push up. All right. You're right. Well, basically, you should be looking to trade and make $300 to $500 a day. That should be your goal every day. Okay. All right. Black Mamba. Goldie short on gold. Not yet. I think it goes a little higher. Again, if you look at this gold here, and let's look at the S&Ps on the daily, you can see this negative MACD. This is why the market's stalling on every rally. I think the market's going to get absolutely kabooshed here. All right, gold's dropping here. Ugh, jeez, I didn't get that push up. All right, I probably would cancel the short range on the gold. Just dropped about 2. Go down to 33. Julian, I didn't forget you. I'll call you at 10 o'clock to help you with the trade of 8. Oh, my God. Gold getting kabooshed, down 3. All right. I was just being a little cautious there on the gold. I thought maybe we got to push up to 43. Okay. But, of course, where did we get up to? I think, 42 and change? 41.20. All right. Down 2. I still think you're going to get this push up here. But we'll watch.
Steven, have you looked at NASDAQ yet?
NASDAQ's getting kabooshed.
It is definitely getting kabooshed.
Yep. NASDAQ's getting kabooshed. I think the whole market's going to get kabooshed.
I don't know about gold. Gold's coming down.
Well, I think you're going to wake up one day and you're going to see gold down 200, down 200, down 200, like 3 or 4 days in a row. I think the big institutions, the stock's going to get. I think you're going to get an oversold condition on the daily or the weekly, most likely the weekly. And I think gold can get down to the 36.50, and then you take that to the measured move. You add it, it's 48.50 on gold. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, this is insane. Every single day, this gold goes up. All right. If this gold gets up to the 44.80 to 50.80, I'll take a short here. I think you may get one pop here. Come on, guys. Let's get to 600. This is nonsense. This is a free night. This is free. Free. Okay. All right. This is free. All right. Oof. What's the silver? Is just hanging around here. So the same pat. Oh my God, silver kabooshed. 16. Oh my God, just dropped. Lord God, just dropped 20 cents on silver. All right. Silver's going down. Gold's going up. Go figure. Right, Denny? Go figure. Don't look at silver. Why not? Why not? All right, anybody new here, put a 1, please. Anybody new, put a 1. And then anybody who's new, remember, I'm going to be hosting a raffle tonight for my my live stream, okay? And I'm gonna have a 20 giveaway for 7 days free. MyFunded Futures wants to do a giveaway as well. but we have to hit 600 or no giveaways. Okay, and so far they've given away over 618. I've given away 40 free accesses to my live stream. Okay, wow, gold just got kabooshed. Damn it, shoot. Again, look at that. Break it down. Just dropped about 3. All right, it's just kabooshed again. Yep, I see gold treasure. I see it. I was hoping for one more push up there. Again, these 60 minutes. Oh my God, silver. Oh my God, gold. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Look at silver. Silver led the way. Kaboom. Yeah, no position. Yeah, we didn't get the short. I need a free account. I have a live account. Oh my God almighty. Down 5. Denny, look at it. Silver down 23 cents. My God.
I see it. I see it. Did you just see him replay the bear sound?
I heard it.
I'm watching. I'm making sure.
I love the bear sound. I see it. What do you think, Ethan? Where do you think I am? In Baskin Robbins? What do you think I'm doing? Oh my God. Good Lord God Almighty. I can't even say the word buy gold. Oh my God. Silver kabooshed. Oh. I said I was looking for one. Look at this silver. I was looking for one more push up on the gold. I was thinking 43.80, 44.80. The high is 41. Just dropped 7. Oh my Lord. All right. That's a trade-in. Kabooshed. Nasdaq's oversold on the 15 and the 30. Yep. S&P just ran about 2 points here. 31 flavors. Exactly. Remember that? 42.30 on gold. I want gold to go up. Good job. Anybody short the gold on their own there? I was 43.80, 44.80, thinking it was going to get one more push up, like a spike up, like we got from 32 to 37. But all right, that's the trade-in. Okay. You sold? You were long or you were short? Steve R. Wow, you made $1,500 on that? Good job. Good job, Stephen R. Good job. $100 in profits. Good job, everybody, if you did that. Let's hit 600. Guys, can we hit 600? This is embarrassing. Really. This is embarrassing. Unbelievable. Look at this gold. I'll see this on my sleep, this 41.5. Ugh. All right. Artan, you were short? Good job. Shorted the highs, FF Trader. Arthur, great job, Arthur. Great job, Arthur. Good job. Good job, Jason, 6573. Great job. Salty Sailor Trades, 42.39. 39 to 30. You were short? 500. Michael Pitts. Good job, Michael Pitts. There you go. Made 2,100 recouped losses and up 670. Wow, good job, FF Trader. Great job, my brother. Artan, I don't know what Artan's doing. He's very quiet tonight. Are the Dodgers playing? Maybe that's why. I don't know. Hey, by the way, if anybody wants to contact me, okay, and you want to give me a call or text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484. I would love to hear from all of you. All right, so really excited about being here tonight. All right, really excited. Again, today was a wild one. This is what you want. You want volatility here. You want the volatility. I mean, I tell you, did you see that drop today? I love when they go down. I love when they go down. Good Lord. Unbelievable. All right. Forget about gold going down. I don't know about that. JL Trade, how are you? You mean, do I think gold's going to go down to? I don't think gold's breaking 3,000. I don't think gold's breaking 3,000 for many, many, many years. It was a nice short though up there. I was calling for shorts a little higher though, but I didn't want to get run over. Let's see here. Rat Motors, amazing. Thank you. Made 1,200. Again, the 60-minute time frames are not confirming the highs. So I was hoping for one big push up more to short it. My first one was 40.80 to 45.80. Then I said, nah, I don't want to get run over here. 3 powerful days left to get my payout. You could do it, AJ Profit. You could do it. You could do it. You can do it. Let's look at this silver. Oh, my God, silver. Look at this short. Oh, my God. 60.5. Oh, I'm going to kill myself. 42.45. I think that would have been a little bit. That would have been a little, you know. Jack Skeleton. How? Oh my God! This gold, $7. S&P's right back up 2. Nasdaq just rallied about 10. Oh my God! This gold kabooshed. Artan, you still short? Took a short scalp, made a quick 150. Good job. 14-day free trial for Christmas. No, I'm giving away a 7-day free trial. Okay. Gold's going to hit 14,000. Remember all? Maybe. Can we get to 600? This is free. Come on. Can we repost this or what? We got the Chinese market coming. Oh, my God. Gold down 8. Gold straight to kaboom. Kaboom or kabooshed? It just dropped 8. Okay, free. Come on, kaboosh. We just got a kaboosh and just dropped $9 practically. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. And more damn it. You got short?
I got 4 from 240.
40. It never got to 42.40.
Yeah, it got to 41.50.
Yeah, so it got to 40.50.
Yeah, 42.
It never hits 42 on gold. Oh my God, $10. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Oh my God. Let them have them. Gold never hit 42.40.
No, I want 40.
Oh, 40.
Yeah.
Oh, 40, that's a different story. 40. Right? I'm watching this thing at 41.5 and never got there.
Yeah.
Good job, Arthur. 250 on 4 accounts. Good job. 3 micros on gold. There you go. I'm proud of you, Arthur. Look at this gold. I want to slip my wrist. Look at this. Oh, my God. All right. Let's see here. Well, no, even me, 43 years experience, I was being a little bit too cautious. Okay, you can see it. So somebody just texted me and asked me about it. Oh my God. Denny, are you short? Please. Look at his silver drop 30 cents. Artan, they want you to call your cousins. We need 600. Somebody just asked me, if what's my style different than ICTs. I do not know anything about ICT. Okay.
Who asked you if you know about ICT?
No, someone just texted me and said, what's the difference between your style and ICT? I don't know.
This man has been trading before ICT was even born.
Yeah, I don't even know what ICT is.
Don't listen to them, Steve.
No, he's being nice. He's being nice.
Yeah, but everybody wants to know what's so different about ICT. That way they can try and refer it to ICT and be like, oh, well, this is the same thing. It's not the same. He said they've been Steven's been trading before they kidnapped ICT.
I don't even know what the hell ICT. What the hell? I don't even know what ICT is.
It's non-important.
No. I mean, listen, to each his own. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that okay. Hey, WC Carson, how are you? Look at this.
He's having a great night.
The silver just rallied 13 cents. Gold just rallied 4. All right. Gold's going to get another push up here. ICT means I can't trade. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. The chat's going bonkers here. Rocky Mountain Trades, how are you? AJ Profit, if it works, it works. No, Heat. No, I'm not saying nothing. The guy just asked me what the difference is. Okay. All right. Blow Snow, how are you? ICT NGL. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. Good night, James Robertson, 435 each on 5 accounts. Good night, my good friend. Enjoy Texas. Still goes to 420, 42, 45. I think, I don't know about now, but I was hoping to get that blow off. Gold inverse to the NASDAQ. I don't look at that. I don't think so. I don't think there's a correlation between that. You think gold will go back to 240 tonight? Possibly. Okay, so we got 8 minutes for the Chinese session. What do you think? Up and then down, or down and then up on the Chinese markets when they open? Gold is an accumulation phase. Well, let me show you something about gold. If you let me show you this on the daily here. Okay, I'm going to show you gold on the daily, Black Mamba. Okay, I'll show you this to you. All right, let me go and show this to you here. Go to the Telestrator. Okay, gold's 254 above the 10 bar. The standard deviation is 50. Okay, so even if you get a pullback of 200 points, gold should go above 4,000. But ultimately, if you look at the weekly here, this is what I'm looking at, and I don't know if it's going to happen. You're 585 points from the 10 bar right here. That's a long way to go. So even if you get a pullback just to the 10 bar, you're talking 3,650, 3,700, which is not out of the question. Actually, be a healthy pullback. And then you get a pullback, you'll get the oscillator to get oversold, and then you get the push up from oversold into the positive MACD. And then you take whatever pullback that moving average is. If we get to that, you can see how it hovers near it. So that's why we're overextended in my book. Okay, Adam B., how are you? Because I did my research, Brian. I did my research on it, right? And so when you look at this here, right, you can see if you get this pullback, you add it onto here, it brings it up to 4,800, 4,850. Okay, and I want to tell you, so many people have approached me and said, thank you for introducing gold in the Asian session, and thank you for allowing us to learn about gold, because it's something now that people are really attracted to. I see more people. Stay Blue won yesterday in the email. Michael, Stay Blue, if you want to text me, 914-500-7484. There goes the S&Ps right back up. NASDAQ just rallied 20. S&Ps just rallied 5. The 30-minute time frame's oversold. Jesus. All right. These are the 15 and 30-minute time frames. Took my eye off it on the S&Ps here. This is the 15 right here. What was the low? There's a 5. I think the low was 05.5 here. That it right there. 02.5. Oh, my Lord. Just rallied 9. All right. Okay. Artan, what's this? 0.0? You gave it all back? Oh, my God. All right. All right. So the Chinese market's going to open in about 5 minutes. So I say up and then down, or people have been saying down and then up. All right. I can't see the questions, Michael. I got. All right. I'll just do that. Gold Asia market. Lock in the chat. Let's go. Can we get to 600? 964.9. I have no. That's what you're up on the gold, Ethan? I don't know what Ethan's telling me here. Michael, what's his name? One here. He's saying Stay Blue 1. Did we contact him?
Yes.
Okay.
Everyone got contacted.
Stay Blue. Michael says you were contacted. Okay. All right. Please fill out the forms. Okay. We're going to do a raffle here. We'll probably do a raffle in like 10, 9, 10 for access to my live stream. I'm going to give away 7-day free to 20 winners tonight. 20 winners. And you can't, if you won, you can't win for 3 months. Okay. You can't win. I want everybody to have a chance. All right. Streaming's expensive. Okay. Gold, she got one more push up here. If it wasn't for this Chinese opening, I might take a long here. Come on, 535. You want MyFundedFutures to give away some raffles tonight? Let's go. All right. Adam Daz. All right, put your name in. I think you go up and then down. I agree, GZ. All right. I agree. All right. NASDAQ just ran about 30. S&P. Well, first time I've seen the indexes really do this. S&P's got down to 02.5. All right. Let's see if this gold can rip here. Gold's going to go up and then down for a quick 2 minutes. Okay. JC Trades 25. Thank you. JC, how are you? Adam Daz, Diego Scalper. No, I stream every day from 9 to 4. Every day from 9 to 4. If we hit 600, we're going to do a raffle for MyFundedFutures, right, Denny? And maybe if we hit 700, okay, yes, of course I do the New York session every day from 9 to 4, okay? All right, Street Beats 2009, how are you? Hello, say hello to your kids, okay? The Street season email, thank you. LA Dodger, yes, you won last night, okay? You will. If you learn from me, I tell you, I'm confident that if you learn my methodology, it will change your life. I will tell you that. Okay. All right. Stay Blue. Okay. Thank you, Stay Blue. You got it? Oh, that's the same guy. All right. Mappa Holdings. How are you? Emma, how are you? Let's go. Chinese market about to open in 2 minutes. All right. Hello, peeps. Did I win last night? I have no idea if you won. I have no idea. Okay, why would you give out your personal phone? Why not? I want to help. I want to talk to people, Dr. Dax. What's the problem? It's my phone number. Okay. If I want to help people. I want to talk to people. I want to see why people are struggling. I want people to pass their evaluations. Look at this gold. Oh my God, down 14. All right. All right. Mr. Merriam, kind of drifting downward. I mean, you know what the problem is? I've been doing this game now for what, 43 years? And I can't stand the people who are really pompous and like, I'm not like, I feel like, you know what? I'm here. I'm transparent. You want to talk to me? Here's my cell phone. I'll get back to you whenever I have a chance. But I always return everybody's call. But why not? I mean, people say all the time, it's really kind. I return everybody's text, phone call. I think it's the only thing, right? How old am I? 62. Okay. And I think it's the only way people should operate. Look at this freaking gold. I'm going to throw everything. And why not? You want me to, you know how many people out there are not accessible, that they just want your money and they're just BSing. And you know what? That's bullshit. Right? Right, Denny? Right? I mean, why not? What I struggle with early on? Oh my God, I want to kill myself on this gold. Jesus, Lord God, down 18. That's sell divergence on the 60-minute time frame. All right. Oh my God. What I struggled with? I struggled with, let's see, if this gold gets down to the, let's see, if this gold gets down to the 19.5, 25.5, look, this takes scalp longs here. What a drop on gold. Down and then up. Okay. I hope. So I told my daughter. So I wanted to be a surgeon growing up, right? And I told my daughter, who wants to be a doctor, I said, Alexandra, I said, if I'm here or I'm not here in life, I want you to do me one favor. I want you, once you become a doctor, I want you to treat every patient like you know them for 30 years. I want you to be transparent. I want you to give them your cell phone number. I want you to be able that if they have a problem, okay, I want them to be able to reach you, okay? I want them to be able to reach you. I don't want them calling an answering service. I know it may sound crazy, but I want you to do me that favor. And she said, Dad, I will do anything for you. I will do that once I become a doctor. And I told her the same thing, Dr. Dax, okay? You're not being a dick. I'm just telling you that that's my mentality, right? Okay? And I want people to understand that so many people are not accessible. You know, so many people, can you call Jim Cramer? Can you, without, you know, could you call John Nigerian, Pete Nigerian, guys I know? Look at this gold right back up. If you bought the 25.5, scale it. You get them? Good. I'd scale out on longs here. That's the first pullback. The fives went negative. That's a nice long there on the gold. Look at these S&Ps. I want to kill myself. Okay? So you want to be able to treat people the way you want to be treated. Okay? Can you imagine trying to call any of these people that have these streams? They're not going to talk to you, right? Nobody's going to talk to you. So I'm doing this 43 years. I work with the biggest guys in the world. So, you know, I watch the way they treat people, right? I see them also rip out souls of people, right? But the bottom line is, why not? Be humble, be generous to people, be kind to people, right? That's what matters. That's what's going to help people move along the way. You know, being arrogant, being ignorant, being selfish, not in my vocabulary, not in mine. Right? You just want to be able, okay, look at these S&Ps go. Oh my God. All right, anybody get that long on gold? Anybody get that long on gold? Artan, did you get that long down there? I don't know if 30 is going to hold here, though. Where's the silver? Silver had to have popped, too. Oh, no, silver's getting kabooshed the other way. Oh, my God. What a short on this silver. What a short. Oh, my God. When gold was trading 41, silver 60.5, dropped 30 cents. Out? Okay. S&Ps. All right. Silver got crushed. No, got kabooshed. So you see what stopped silver right here? When silver was trading 60, the 15s were getting overbought into the negative MACD right here. That's what happened. Okay. All right. Come on. Can we get to 600? I have no account. Okay. Free 600. If we get to 600, then he's going to do something special. Well, we're going to do a giveaway. At 9:10, I'm going to give away 10 of my own. Okay. And then I'll do 10 at the end. So again, my rules are very simple. I'm going to give 20 7-day free access to my live stream, 9 to 4, just to stream, to come in and out, listen to me all day long. If you like it, you can do whatever you want. If you don't, no problem. And it's only for people. If you win, you can't win for the next 3 months, because I want so many people to have the opportunity of a lifetime. Okay? So that's that. All right? All right. Almost there, 600 with 74 to go. 64 to go. All right? Come on. This is a free event here, Trade Warrior Hub. Okay? Let's go. Freaking S&Ps. Market just never wants to go down. So I was telling people, right, about, you know what the Taft-Hartley Act is, everybody? Does everybody know what that is? Oh, my God, silver just rallied. Everybody know what the Taft-Hartley is? Prison bus? Let's get to 600. No? Nobody? No idea? It's a law that says that pension funds have to be net long. It's for the unions. I told this to my group, so don't answer. Okay, so the Taft-Hartley Act was imposed for the protection of pension plans, where pension. Look at this gold, silver up 20 cents. Oh my God Almighty, this silver is on crack. There goes the gold. So basically, if you work for municipality or the state or whatever, you get and you retire. But if you're a worker, you keep paying into the pension. And so, so basically, what you want to be able to do is to put your money into the pension, and at the end, when you retire, you get a pension every single month, right? Well, under the Taft-Hartley Act, you can't short the market. You can only be net long. Boom. And so what happens is, if the market declines, we're down 20% for the year, a lot of times these pension funds become what's called underfunded, right? And that means the state has to raise taxes, and they got to contribute to match the difference in what the pension fund is down, so the pensionees can have money when they retire. So that's why the market never goes down, because they want it to keep it up, so these states don't have to pay these pension funds and be underfunded. Okay? All right? Anyway, enough with that. Okay? Enough. All right. So, all right. Exactly. Oof, look at this silver. Oh my God Almighty. Silver. Look at this. It's going to be a short around 70. Okay. All right. Can we get 53 more to 600? So, Daddy, they want to know about the Kaboom and the Caboose t-shirt. I think there's a way to do this, actually. This is the Kaboom t-shirt. We're going to have it printed with MyFundedFutures on it right there. You see that? Look at that, Kaboom, right? And then we got the Caboose t-shirt right here. My favorite. This is my favorite shirt. Look at that. Where's the bear? Nice call. Andrew Knapp made 500 on the gold long. Good job, Andrew Knapp.
JC, let's go. Up 700 on the night.
Can we get
silver
50,
and gold?
What Artan, can you call your cousins in Albania? Let's go. We need 56 more. Come on. All right. All right. Denny, we got to figure a way to get these t-shirts made, Denny. We got to figure this out. We got to talk to Luke.
I might have to sit down this weekend and try and figure it out.
Yeah, we'll get Luke on the phone. All right. 6 ticks on gold or 6 points on gold? Not ticks. Ticks or points? Big difference. Let's see. A nice call, Andrew. Nice call. All right. Come on. With 67 more. Can we get this? Guys, this is a free stream. We should have 7,000 people on this thing. Right, Molly?
Yes.
You get the long on the gold? Good job. I'm proud of you. Good job. All right. Giveaway? No way. I'm not doing a giveaway. No way. No way. The shipping and handling, and then you get people from India, Europe, Australia. It's going to cost me $150 to ship a t-shirt. No way. It ain't happening. I'll kill myself. It ain't happening. All right. Up 1,600 on gold and silver. Market player 8,000. That's a great job. Anybody new, you can text me at 914-500-7484. All right. Gold just got cabooshed. Silver just got cabooshed. Just dropped 50 cents. All right. I think it's time to do 10 giveaways to SK Trading. Who wants the 10 giveaways? You guys ready? You guys sign up? Do we have a lot of people sign up?
Yeah.
How many about?
200.
About 200 people. Up 1,000 on golds, Tony Blades. Okay. Guys, you got to sign up if you want to participate. For those who are on TikTok, you need to go to my YouTube or MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign up for both raffles tonight. Okay? All right? All right? All right. Let's do it, Michael. Bring it up. Jesus, this gold just dropped 18 cents. I want to piss me off.
You said only 200 people have signed up so far?
For my raffle.
That's crazy. At least 500 people should be signed up.
Guys, it's
that's
a
how much
free,
we got watching.
it's free for my live stream. You want to wait? We'll wait 5 more minutes to give them a chance. Gold, this S&P's just rallied 10. NASDAQ just rallied 4. I never seen the indexes trade like this. Okay. All right. Anybody? Come on. We need 60 more for 600 for MyFundedFutures to do their raffle. or else no raffle tonight. 51 more. Okay, 51 more. You guys got to sign up. Do they know where to sign up, Michael?
Yeah.
You guys know where to sign up? If you're already a member, it doesn't participate. For people who are brand new, okay, they want you to repost it again to sign up on MyFundedFutures and our YouTube. Egypt cheapest t-shirts. Well, I got to figure this out. All right, 550 here. There you go. S&Ps, if they get up to 15 to 20, I look to short them. NASDAQ, if it gets up to the 38, up to the 68 range, I would short the NASDAQ. All right. All right. Come on, guys, 600. 600 should be nothing. All right, you all love that. Let's go. I'm ready, Arton. You crazy? I want this gold to go to 50 and short the hell out of it. Okay. Guys, you got to sign up. 1235 VWAP triple Q. Good job. 68. Black Mamba. Come on. 41 more. Can we get the 41? Or else there's not going to be any raffle here tonight. That's for sure. No way. Okay. And anybody new, you can text me 914-500-7484. God bless you. All right, let's see here. Come on, 44 more. 44 more. $44 more. There goes the gold. Gold's up 10. 44 more. 50 more. Come on, guys. Where's the link for the raffle? Michael, you want to answer where it is?
I just posted it.
He just posted it. Chili dollar. Come on. Going to 242. I agree. I want to see this gold get up there. Arton, you still long? I thought you kicked it out. Let's see here. Bought 5 accounts, blew them all already in the first day. Sun City Trader. Well, you got to know what you're doing. You guys buy accounts and you don't know what you're doing. Okay? You don't know what you're doing. You got it. That's why I have a live stream every day. I teach my methodology. I put people on the right page. Okay? And that's what's important. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Please rally. Okay, S&Ps, if you're short of 15, just look to cover between 13 and 14 here. NASDAQ, if you sold 38s, I'd look to cover below 32 here. Okay, all right, let's do this. Why do I want to short NASDAQ? Because of my pattern. It just dropped 10. S&Ps just dropped 2. It's a pattern. Okay, kaboom on the gold. Let me hear the bull sound, Denny, on the long. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Love it. That's a bull sound. Took us a week. I think B-Win was B-Win. All right. S&Ps just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 13, 14. Extraordinary. Come on, guys. 53 more to go. This is torture. All right. We're going to do the raffle now. Michael, let's do 10 giveaways. Michael, let's do this. That's a dying cow? No, that's a bull. Okay? All right? Feels real. I think it's real. That sounds real to me. That right there is birth. His birth. Oh, my God. These people are brutal. I love it. Oh, my God. Sounds like hyenas. That's not what a hyena sounds like. Reby, come on. Even I know what a hyena sounds like. The bull is suffering from some disease. Oh my God, that's a good one. No, that sounds like a good bull. All right, we're gonna do the raffle. Is that you or Aaron got to do that?
I'm gonna do it. Just hold on.
Okay, we got to. I want to share the page. Come on, gold. Gold just rallied 12. Silver is gonna make new highs here. Okay, there goes the gold. Up 530 on the night. 2 accounts. Great job. That's what I'm saying. 20, 33 more. All right, we're going to do 10 giveaways to my live stream. Okay. These 15s are going to turn up here on gold. I think this gold could really push up to new highs here. Hide the scotch. I can't. It's right next to me. All right. 13 minutes for the next gold entry. I think gold should. I want to see gold get another push up here. All right. All right. S&Ps just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped about 13. Okay. You guys got to share the screen. 38 more. Oh, my God. Is your form on MyFundedFutures? Yes. No, it's a different form. Sorry. Different form. Oh, gold just got kabooshed. All right. Oh, man. Silver. 50. Where did gold just drop? 3. All right. Come on. Up 400. ISO, let's go. 42 more. We're dropping here. Come on, guys. You just went 23 away. Okay. There's no raffle tonight for MyFundedFutures. That's it. All right. So I'm going to do a giveaway of my 10 right now, and I'll do 10 more at the end of the night. Again, you can only win one time. Can you show it? Show the screen? Oh my God, gold just dropped. Put this gold up here. I want to see this gold get one more push up and then get absolutely kabooshed here. $38 on the gold, then down to 32. All right. Whew. If this gold gets up to the 38.80 to the 44.80, I would short it one more time. All right, here we go. We're going to do 10 giveaways. Can everybody see the screen? Okay. 37 more for MyFundedFutures. Got the long gold. Okay, I'm looking to short it on the next bounce. All right, Michael, spin it. Let's do it. Juan Pablo, how are you? This noise is killing me. All right. Again, you'll be contacted by email, Almeri, Angel M. Leary. Good job. Congratulations. JL Trading, let's do it. Can you post the MyFundedFutures form? You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and get that.
Yeah, I'm not posting that until we hit 600, and don't buy it because I will know.
Okay, Michael just won. I couldn't see his last name. That's 2. Okay, that's 2. 47 more to go. Elisa Trevino. There you go. 1, 2. Elisa Trevino. Congratulations. That's 3. That's access. Cranston White, 412. You should have gotten. I'll check it. EC Trevi.
Raphael,
Okay.
you good, man?
All right, gold, I would cancel the short. Who's this one? Gabrielle Trade. Hey, Gabrielle Trades. Congratulations. That's 4, right? All right. Let's get to 637 more, or else MyFundedFutures is not posting no raffles tonight. Okay, Cranston White. I'll check it after the spins here. Favertas. Congratulations. Was that 5, Michael? Gold just dropped 5. S&Ps. I would short these S&Ps again. 15 up to 20. NASDAQ 38 up to 68 on the NASDAQ.
Congrats, Gabriel, on winning.
Okay. 35 more for MyFundedFutures. Arena Daitalova. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. We got what? 4 more? 3 more? 33 more for MyFundedFutures. Okay. Paul Narula. Congratulations, Paul. Okay. Now I'm an 18 long on the gold on the pullback. I'm looking for a short on the gold. Let's go, baby. We near 600 soon. 33 more. And or else Jeremy Kent. See, that's a normal name. I know Jeremy. Jeremy, congratulations. Okay, I don't know him, but I mean, I've seen him around in the, okay. Trade Warrior Hub. How many is that? 1 more. So this is access to my live stream 7-day free trial. Okay. And I stream nanoseconds, so it's very expensive, everybody. Lorela, how you say that? Lorera, 1. Okay, congratulations. There's 10. Okay, there's 10. Go S&Ps if you're short. Look to cover 14.25 to 13.25. S&Ps. Let's see here. Gold, Nasdaq. Look to cover 28 to 33. Gold just got cabooshed 5. All right, guys. Guys, you trade platinum, Arthur? No, I don't trade platinum. Okay. 25 more, Denny, or else still. Hey, look at the S&Ps drop here. Nasdaq cabooshed. Gold just dropped 6. Are you short gold? S&Ps? No?
I'm done.
No? You're done? Good job.
Yeah.
You're short the gold?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It never got to my number, but it got to 38.80 before me. All right. Gold just dropped 6 here. Congratulations to the 10 winners. All right. Hook me up, Stephen. Kobe Hall. All right. Cranston said he never got an email, Michael.
Everyone who won definitely got an email.
Okay. Michael said, Cranston, if you want to text me, I'll figure this out. 914-500-7484. What the hell is the word kabam? What the hell is Max? What the hell is kabam? Don't short hold yet? I mean, one more push up on the gold. Yes, I think one more push up. What did you do, Christopher Flores? What did you do? Christopher Flores, you could text me after the session, okay? I mean, I don't know what you guys are doing here. Kabooshed. Look at the S&Ps. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ down 10. S&Ps down 2 3/4. First time in a while the S&Ps and NASDAQ are moving in the night session. V2 trades 1. Congratulations. Cranston, if you need anybody wants to text me if there's a oh my god, look at the S&P. Are you short S&Ps? No.
It just was, yes.
Oh, good job. Just down 3. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gold melted me, scared me. Why, Savage Trade? You should never be scared of trading. S&P's down almost 3 here. NASDAQ just dropped 14. Anybody short the NASDAQ or S&Ps? What a short. 30 more. Come on, guys. We were just 23 away. All right. I guess you guys aren't going to get a raffle tonight. 26 minutes to go from MyFundedFutures. And I don't blame them. They've given away 618 free accounts. Okay. So I don't know. 35 more. If you guys can't find 35 people to come on, that's a problem. Okay. You're short what? S&P and NASDAQ? Okay. Juco Prino, great job. Legendary stream. Let's do it, Fiber Spice. All right. That's 2 great shorts on the S&P and NASDAQ I had tonight here. Okay. I sent text. Cranston, let me see. All right. I'll look at this afterwards. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. 43 to go. Okay, it looks like no MyFundedFutures raffle tonight. They're going to be really, you know what? These guys are are sponsoring this, and you made 300 on platinum. All right. How many things you want me to look at, Arthur? Okay. I'm hosting it, and they're sponsoring it, so I don't blame them. Okay, I don't blame them. They've given away over 618 free accounts, and you guys can't get 6, 7, 8, 900, 1,000 people on this thing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, and we give it our all here. Denny has a beautiful infant child. Denny's trading up the storm. Okay, and guess what? All right, 1,700. Good night. Great. 50 more. Let's go. Denny, you know what? If they don't make the 600, no giveaway. That's it. Denny.
I'm here, Steven. I'm here. I'm here. 50 more to get the giveaway. What is going on?
We were just 22 away.
I know. What is going on tonight, chat?
I don't know. Maybe the YouTube hurt everybody.
They got salty over YouTube.
Talk more about trading. What do you want me to talk about? I showed you some great patterns. Now we just got to wait for things to set up. First thing I walked in,
he's always talking about trading.
the Nasdaq just got cabooshed. Right? Good job. She's not going to bed until the Nasdaq gets cabooshed. I agree.
That's not nice. He said you're going to learn this one way or another.
Exactly. It's not your job to get users. But blaming us, I'm not blaming you. I'm saying we're not going to do a raffle until we get to 600. Those are the rules. How am I blaming you? Or how are we blaming you? I know you're here. But MyFundedFutures is giving away over 618. We want to make it worth our while. We want people to come. We want users to come in, and we want people to learn. And that's what we're talking about. There goes the gold. This gold is going to 42. Silver's going right back up to 50. That's all. Okay. Congratulations, BRNBBD. Melvin, how are you? Augustine, how are you? 500 loyal users, not enough. Well, I'm not saying it's not enough. Then you want to answer that? All right. Nonstop bulls. Oh my God! I told you, there goes the gold.
It's not that it's not enough. It's just we want more people to come in and start watching us, right? We do a lot of giveaways for y'all every single day in the morning stream and at night stream.
I would short this gold if it gets up to the 43.80, 48.80, 49.80.
If we go 1 or 2 days without giving giveaways, is that really hurting anybody? Because almost every single person in here has received a giveaway at some point.
Up 962 on the gold. Good job, Coach B Trades. Again, I would take a scalp short 43.80 up to the 48, 49.80 range. I would scale in. Okay. All right.
Hey, I love y'all. MyFundedFuture loves y'all. Steven loves y'all. We're all here.
Caboose to the live stream? Oh, that's terrible, Muhammad.
Oops. What?
I don't know. Ban him.
Where's the ban button? Yeah, exactly what Kate Foster said. We just want y'all to get the word out there and show love or spread the love. We want everybody in the world to start coming to watch us and come and learn how to trade with Steven. Everyone knows he's a legend.
All right, so
go ahead, Steven.
You called the long on that 25.5 low. Okay, off the 15. Silver rallied from 23 all the way up to 39. Gold just dropped here again. Any new high on gold is going to run into a brick wall against that 60-minute time frame. FF Trader, great job. 1292 up on gold. Oh my God, just dropped 4. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I was hoping for one blow off right back up here. One big blow off right here. Right here. All right. I agree. Top Cisco has 1,000 and they got kids. We should have 2,000, 3,000. It's a joke. Okay. Still long from 89 on what? Gold or what are you talking 89? NASDAQ or S&Ps? On long NASDAQ from 89? From earlier? That's a great job off the 15. I still think this gold is going to get up to 43, 45. Thank you, J Val. How are you? JC Trades. Thank you, JC Trades. They don't have to. Well, how are you going to understand my charts, okay, without asking questions? That's what I teach during the live stream all day long, okay? That's what I teach during the live stream. Then he uses the same screen. Then he has my software. Oh, yeah. Okay. And I showed you the pattern on the gold. I showed you the 60-minute time frame right here, making new highs, non-confirmation. I showed you the pattern on the 15-minute time frame that I said was going to turn up on the push down on gold on the 5-minute right here. I said the 5-minute, when the 5 got oversold, it set up the long on the 15. Now, the one thing I will tell you, okay, when gold was trading right here, below 25.5 and right here, the oscillator on the 15 got down to a 21 oversold condition. But watch this, because the way the algorithm works and within the oscillator, it prints what's called end of bar, right? So if you look here, the low is 42.2470 and it closed at 42.35. So gold ran almost 10.5 points. Okay, so the oscillator went, which was dynamic, okay, got deeply oversold, like a 22 oversold condition. And then because it closed $10.5 higher, you can see it plotted at 58. So basically it plotted higher because gold ran 10.5, but dynamically it got deeply oversold. Actually, I got down to like a 14, I believe, a deep oversold condition in a positive trend. Okay. All right. All right. All right. 40 more to go. All right. I gave away 10. Congratulations to the 10. Okay. Okay. All right. So, Cranston, can you text me your email so I can try to find this problem, Cranston, so you can get the free 7-day trial? Okay. All right. Indexes are moving here. So, silver ran, gold ran here about 13, 4. Actually, on this pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. All right. I want to see if this. What's silver doing here? This silver. The silver is going to go through 60. All right. 40 more. Okay. Yeah, you could join. Go to go to my website, sktrading.live. Okay. If you need need some help, we can just SSJ Dark Gotten. You can text me at 914-500-7484. Bye, Emma. Okay. JB with God, how are you? Silver new highs. Silver new highs tonight or right now, 76. I don't see 76 now. All right, this gold just keeps faltering at this 41, 42 range. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Still flat. 38 more to go. All right, 38 more to go here. All right. Wow. I can't believe it's Wednesday already, Denny. You know that? Come on, gold. Give me a push up. Give me a push up here. My Funded
It's
Futures
crazy.
is the best. Bye, Emma. Gold Treasure, action time. Hello, Stephen. Thank you for the free streaming. Thank you, JB with God. Thank you. Let's go. 565. Come on. 50. What do you got? 44 more. This goal, I think this goal is going to 43 to 45. All right. 560. Come on, guys. Let's go. I would short the gold on the push up. I'm hoping for 43.80, 44.80 range. Let's see if these 15s can get overbought. NASDAQ up 19. Unbelievable. Here we go. If it gets up to the 44, 43, 40, I think 40, 44 and a half to 50 and a half range, 49 and a half range, I look to short them. I'm going to make some burgers. Think what you can. I'm so damn hungry. Oh, cook me a burger. I'm starving. All right.
My kids right now are with my wife at church. So
Oh, that's beautiful.
yeah.
There goes the gold. New highs on the gold.
Does that answer your question, Belintov?
Here goes the gold. 43.80, 50.80, 44.80, the 50.80 range. I'd be shorting. There goes the silver. Oh my God. I told you this gold is going to go. I would. 43.80. Short some at 44.80, Michael.
Belintov, it's 9:37 p.m., but my wife is Hispanic, so she goes to church at night.
You can cover
on
some
Wednesdays.
gold on a scalp short between 41 and a half, 42 and a half range. Black Mamba, kaboom!
Oh, it's
I
flying.
told you this gold's going to go. Just dropped about $1.60. You could just start scaling in and out. I'm with you. I think this gold's going back up. I think the NASDAQ gets up to the 40, 44. I'd short it again, 44 to 74 range. S&Ps to get up. This S&Ps, you got bear flags here. I'd short this S&Ps to get up to the 15 and a half to the 20 and a half. If you short the gold at 43.80, look to cover below 42 and a half. ES ready to short. Come on, 39 more, and we'll do a raffle for MyFundedFutures. What do you think, Denny? If we do 600, we give away 15, an extra 5.
If we can get up to that, but if we cannot get up, okay. One, I don't want to set a limit because then I know someone in here is going to try and bot the views. However, for tonight and tonight only, if we can hit 600, then yes, I will do 15 giveaways.
Wow,
If
look
we
at
cannot, then I will do 5 giveaways.
that. All right,
At
that's
least
fair.
5 people will still win.
All right, gold just got down to 41 and a half, just dropped about 230. Guys, just trade it in and out. Okay, 52 to go. Wow, what a shame. We were 23 away. All right. All right. Silver just got kabooshed. Gold just dropped too. Anybody short that gold on the new highs? Again, those 60-minute time frames are like running into a brick wall. All right. All right. Whew. Wake up your neighbors, somebody.
Melvin said he has his grandma watching the stream.
And you got to like the videos. Come on, let's go. I always put limit orders in. Here goes the gold. Here we go. Here we go. Gold's going to go to 45, 44.80, 45.
For everybody in the chat, for my funded future giveaways, you do not have to do anything. I just grab your email from the form that I'll send out that you'll fill out, and you will just receive an email saying that you won with your credentials. For Stevens, I guess he will also email y'all. Y'all don't have to do anything to receive it.
Michael, everybody gets an email. All right. So we got about what, 19 minutes to go here. S&P's just got caboose. Gold just got NASDAQ and gold. What's that?
Gold.
44.80?
43.80.
Oh, I thought like, all right. Go 44.80. Cover 43s. If I only had a brain. La dee 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 dee. This gold's going to go to 45. Here it is, 45. Some more 45.80.
Order filled.
What's that?
43.80 or 44.80.
All right, cover 43.80, 43.80, and 43.5. Dropping.
Order filled.
What is that?
That was 44.80 again. But you had two there. Order filled.
Here we go. Short more 46.80. Look at the gold. Here we go. I told you I was going to do this.
Order filled.
What's my average?
Your average is 45.60.
Cover 45.5, 45.30. Cover everything. Just cover.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's how you do it. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Look at this gold. I told you it was going to go to 45, 46. There it is. You think we're going right to 50, Arton? I think Arton's right. Order filled. There you go. Wow. I told you this gold's going there. I think Arton's right. I think it's going to 50. But I would look to short it here again. 46.80 up to 52.80 range. Scaling to the short. Silver cannot make new highs. If you're short the gold, cover below 45.5. 42.54 target for gold. I don't know if I see that. Oh my God, we just dropped off 69. Wow. What a shame. Why not 50? Let it breathe. Why? I'm shorting off the 60-minute time frame. Okay. There you go. Good job, Michael. All right. Good job. Up. This gold. Look at that gold. Gold's up 20 points since the 9 o'clock hour. Okay. 9 o'clock. All right. I know. I agree, Blue Strike Cheetah. It's like the end of the world's coming. All right. You should be lowering your stops if you're short the gold up there. Silver cannot make new highs. Let's go. Can we get to 600 or what? All right. At 9:45. Oh, my God. Gold just got caboose. Lower your stops. Lower your stops if you're short. Silver can't get going. That's not a good sign. Look at this gold. Caboosed. Unbelievable. Look at this gold. Silver just dropped 9 cents. Gold just dropped 3. S&Ps. Let's go. Oh, wow. 76. Well, we tried. Still 500 is a good number. But we like to get it to a couple thousand. How could you lose on every trade? You can't be putting in, you cannot trade with tight stops. You got to go wide. And we didn't have one trade lost here in gold. You have to be able, if you're scaling in, you can't be scaling in like every 10 cents on gold and then put $1 stop. You'll get run over not 100 times out of 100 times. You can't do it. You have to learn how to trade the asset. If you want to call me, I'll teach you. Okay, fill the coolers. It's coolers, COOLAS, coolers. All right. You got to know how to trade the assets. All right. No, I'm saying he said he lost tonight on every trade. And he's probably scaling in incorrectly. Look at the gold drop 6. Okay. I said, based upon the, if you short new highs, the 60-minute MACDs did not confirm the highs. Right? Coolers. There you go. Coolers. Know when to hold them, when out to fold them. Okay. All right. Look at this gold drop. Wow, what a short. Artan, you got to look at the 60-minute time frame, my brother. The non-confirmation. Anybody still short to gold? Am I Italian? I'm half. Okay. Fill the Coca coolers. I like that. What's fill the coolers? Fill the coolers means one day we were trading, and one person, Jeff, in my room, he had such a great day. He said, I'm going to the deli. I'm going to go get some beers and ice. I'm going to fill the coolers. And then he had a really good trade, I believe, in Apple. We called a really great pattern. And he made a lot of people made a boatload of money. And he said, and I said, Jeff, go to the deli and fill the coolers. Day over. So I made t-shirts up. Fill the coolers means you made enough money, go fill up the coolers, have a couple beers, sandwiches, and go on your boat and go fishing or just enjoy the boat. So I just had a fill the coolers. Spectre Trading 1,000. Good job. Fill the coolers. That's another t-shirt, Denny. Fill the coolers. All right. All right, Michael, why don't we do 10 right now? Fill the coolers. Oh, my God. Look at this, Artan. You're famous. Fill the coolers, Artan. Oh, my God. I like that. Fill them up. Traders Cafe. Oh, we're going to send a lot of T-shirts in the Traders Cafe. All right. Smoke Screen Design. How are you? All right. We're going to do 10 more giveaways. 7-day free trial to my live stream. Okay. You guys who are trading should be joining my live stream every day. You guys are trading prop. I don't know what you're looking at or what, but you should be coming with and joining the community of traders. All right, we got 12 minutes to go. Nice little trade at the end of the day there. Gold dropped about 5. S&Ps, kabooshed. NASDAQ futures. Where's your daughter? Just dropped 20. S&Ps, gold. Oh, please. I love when they go down. All right, Mike, we ready to spin? Gold down 6. Here's the 7. Here's the 10. Kabooshed. Oh my God! What a kaboosh in S&P, Nasdaq, gold. Artan. Jefferson, congratulations. I told you before you spin again. Hold on. All right, too late. After this next spin, I want to explain something. First of all, Kaboosh is Kabooshed, please. Okay, next winner. TDI Futures, congratulations. Okay. Shout out to Denny and the Brave, the Pit. That's it. Nick Pina, 530. The Bear is amazing. Give the Bear again. Where's the Bear, Denny? Let me hear that Bear. S&Ps, NASDAQ, gold, kaboosh. That's a bear. I love that sound. My favorite sound. Okay, all right. So, again, before we spin, I told you every new high combined with an overbought reading on the 5 and 15 with the non-confirmation on the 60-minute time frame, let them have them. All right, spin the wheel. Good job. 8 more to go. 8 more to go. Tell me you got short.
Yeah, I did get that short. I didn't get the S&P short.
No, that's fine. The gold was on. Tony, whosoever, congratulations. All right, that's 3, 7 to go. Pipster, congratulations, Pipster. I seen Pipster. Well, come on down. Spend the week with me. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Whoa, my God. Look at this gold down $9. Aguilera Samuel, 02. Congratulations. Let's go it. Oh, my God. What was, I couldn't see it. Do you see it? Hold on.
This one.
SSSSSSSS.100. Congratulations. Okay. All right. Okay. 520. No pump. Kaboosh. So bad it turned to kaboosh. Steve R. There's a normal person. Steve R. Okay. All right. Congratulations, Steve R. Wild. What was that? Will, I can't even say it. Willie Deed.
I think it said Willid.
Denise. There's a great name. Denise. Congratulations. How many more? 2 more? One more. Gold right back up on the double blue. Two times 4 11s. Congrats. Gold just rallied 6. That's it? 10?
Yep.
Okay. Congratulations to the 20 winners. Congratulations. Okay. Silver just ran 8 cents here. Gold just rallied $6 on the double blue. Do it right in the middle of this is the double blue buy right here. It pulled in, boom, 36.5, ran 6. Every pullback is shallow, and then it rallies. Okay. All right. Let's see. Denny, in 2 minutes, you want to do your 5? You want to do your 5?
Yeah, we can, Steve.
And again, congratulations to the winners. Okay. Love being here. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And what else? Let's see here. We'd love to short gold. Well, I think it might get there. You want to see the 5s get overbought again. How to enter the 5. Come on. Denny, did you post the sign up already for the 5?
I did, Steve. It's already been posted multiple
It's in
times
there.
in the chat.
Guys, it's in there. Congratulations, Sap. All right. Thank you to the winners. You're very welcome. All right. Let's try to get like 700-800 to 1,000. I mean, this is free, for Christ's sake. Gold just rallied 6 here just now. If we do get one more push up here, take that short. If it gets back up there, yeah, I'm looking to build a Traders Cafe in West Palm. 510. All right, not bad. Our town, I used to live in Katona. You know that? Bedford was the next town over. First time here. Welcome 968 Daz Blooper. You're a little late to the game. Denny's here. Only see the link for the week trial thing. It's not a free trial thing. It's for the free trial for my live stream. Okay. Sorry, took the short. I have no idea what that means. Congratulations to the winners. S&P's gold just rallied 6. All right.
Ready to do the my 5, Steven?
Yes.
Share the screen. All right. First winner goes to, drum roll, please. I don't even know how to pronounce your name. I'm going to go with L. Congrats, L. Let's get some W's in chat for L. Who asked that? Who asked that? Paul, I already sent the link out multiple times. If you didn't sign up, it's kind of too late now. I've been sending it out for about 45 minutes now. Next winner is Swing Sentry. Let's go, Swing Sentry.
There you go. Little Roo.
It was not for only SK. I had 200 people already sign up using the link that I send out. Hilda, congratulations.
Congratulations, Hilda. All right, 4 minutes to go here. Gold just rallied 6.
My screen? Oh, you know what? I don't know why it did not show. I'm so sorry, chat. There we go. You know what? Just for that, I'll do 2 extra winners. We'll have 7 winners instead of 5. Mr. 21, congratulations.
All right.
I cannot pin both links. If I pin my link, it'll take Steven's down.
That's Denny's wheel, not my wheel.
Juicer, congrats. All right, got 2 more. 2 more winners to go. Let's get some W's in the chat for the winners. Charles Jolly, let's go. Learnt Trading, congratulations. You are lucky number 7 tonight.
All right, congratulations, everybody. Gold just rallied just now 7 here off this pullback. You're going to get one more push up when the 5s turn up here. Beautiful pause. I think gold's probably going to make new highs. All right, Denny, great night. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for MyFundedFutures for hosting. That's a total of 625 giveaways in 1 month. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys learn. Okay, and the most important is for you to be consistent, for you, all of you, to be able to achieve greatness. That's what you want. No, in trade the right patterns. If you're scalp trading, go in and out, and lower your stops, and just constantly and switch to micros if you're comfortable. The key here is to be consistent every single day. With that being said, thank you, Denny, my brother. Have a good night. I'll see you here tomorrow. Wow, the week went flying by. U.S. retail sales at 8:30, PPI on Friday at 8:30. Next week on the 24th, you have the CPI, and on the 26th, the Fed will probably cut interest rates a quarter, and I believe it's already priced into gold, silver, and the index futures. So let's see what happens here. All right. Anyway, have a great night, everybody. Denny, have a great night. Thank you, Michael. Thank you so much. And everybody, thank you very much. Have a great day trading tomorrow. If you want to join my live stream, go to my website, sktrading.live. If you want to text me, my cell phone is 914-500-7484. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Good night, Denny. Have a great one.
Good night, Steven. Chat, y'all have a good night. Can't wait to see y'all tomorrow morning and tomorrow night.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.